without Jesus in your life, you will never get to the light. Does He want you to know His love is alive? God don't want nobody to cry when you're feeling lonely, like your heart is gone away, broken hearted, and you think He's never done you right. When you feel discouraged, like your heart is gone away now, broken hearted, take it all to Him. Ooh, without Jesus in your life, you'll never get to the light. 'Cause He wants you to know His love is alive. God don't want nobody to cry without. Oh, yeah, yeah. What? Wala ba? Yay!